Hi, I'm Lauren Brown, and welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm taking you on a apartment hunting trip with me. It's actually shot from earlier in the summer, and I was looking for a pied-à-terre in Midtown Manhattan. It's essentially the Central Park South area, which apparently now is being called Billionaires Row. I'm not necessarily calling myself a billionaire, but it's good to be in great company. And I had the lovely experience of doing today's tour with my mother. So you'll see the two of us. This is footage from earlier in the summer. I did not end up going with this particular apartment, but there's other footage, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed that tour. I know I did. One of the great things about that apartment was the natural light it offered. I did not end up picking that one. The hunt still continues. The apartment did go for 210 cash or thereabouts. I'm not quite sure. But we did a bunch of other things later that day as well. You can see we dipped into the Ritz and had a jaunt through Central Park. So have a look at that and enjoy.
So you and I, hello, are walking to Central Park. I'll turn that way. Hello. Stop. Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. So that was the Ritz-Carlton.
Cool.
And now, what are we doing? Look at that skyline. It's really quite nice. Now, oh, thank you for coming with me today. Yeah, in a calm environment in the midst of a chaotic city. Yeah. So nice.
Well, that concludes today's vlogging tour extravaganza. It will not, of course, be our last. So please do remember to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it. Sharing is really a great way to expand the channel. Just pressing that copy link is everything. As well, press the notification button so that you know when the next vlog apartment tour happens on our channel. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. I'm Lauren Brown. See you.